Good morning, student. Today we are going to start one new topic: limited liability partnership, in short form LLP. The limited liability partnership (LLP) in India come into existence with the instrument of Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008, which lay down the law for the formation and registration of limited liability partnership. Definition: limited liability partnership means a partnership formed and registered under this act. Now we are going for the next nature of limited liability partnership. First, a limited liability partnership is a body corporate formed and incorporated under this act. Second, it is legal entity separate from that of its partners. Next, a LLP shall have prepared in sections. Next, any change in the partners of LLP shall not affect the existence, right or liabilities of the LLP. Now we are going for the difference between the LLP and partnership. It means partnership and limited liability partnership. First we are going for the some basic head. First base, application law. In partnership, Indian Partnership Act 1932. In LLP, the Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. Next, second, registration in partnership optional. In partnership, it's not given the legally. The partnership members are formed. If like, then go for the registration. Otherwise, it's optional. But in LLP, companies are, you will say, it's compulsory with registration of company acts. Next, body corporate. Body corporate cannot be because a partners, and in LLP, body corporate can because its partners. Next, separate legal entity. In partnership, it is not a separate legal entity, but in LLP, it is a separate legal entity. Next, creation. Partnership created by a agreement, or you say created an agreement, but LLP created by law. Next, physical succession. Partnership do not have perpetual succession, but in LLP it has perpetual succession and individual partners may come and go. Next, number of partner. In partnership, minimum 2 and maximum 50, but some change in Company Act. And in LLP, minimum 2 and maximum no limit. For the maximum in LLP, no limit. Next, ownership of assets. Firm in partnership, firm cannot own any assets. The partners can own assets in Partnership Act, but in LLP, the LLP can own assets. Next, liabilities. In the case of partnership, the partner's liabilities is unlimited. Any type of problem will come in partnership, all liabilities came in partners. But in LLP, the partner's liabilities is limited. because it's a limited liability partnership. Okay, these all are the difference between the partnership and LLP, limited liability partnership. First, today we are seeing first limited liability partnership. All the firm which is registered are formed by the act of limited liability partnership is came in limited liability partnership. Then we are going for the natures. Next, we see the difference between the LLP and partnership. And Indian Partnership Act 1932 shall not apply to a LLP. Okay, for LLP separate act is there, that Indian Partnership Act 1932 shall not apply to a LLP. Okay, thank you.